I just got my first order for today. To Starbucks, $7 going 3.5 miles. Thank you. I think I'm gonna take this one. It's a Voodoo Donut, $7.75 going 5 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Take care.
You too. Thank you.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Got it?
Yeah, thank you so much.
Have a good one. All right, next orders up are a stack of Walmart. I believe the total was like 26 going like 10 miles. Small ones today.
Yeah, those are nice sometimes.
Oh yeah. No water bottles. Thank you.
Yeah, exactly. You're welcome. Have a great day.
You as well. Just got my next order. It's for Black Rock Coffee. I believe it's at 850 going like 4.5 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. I didn't realize it was only one drink until just now. This might be a tip bait. Finally got my next order. Looks like it's a shop and delivered for alcohol. 1050 going 6 miles, 2 items. Why do I feel like they wanted a bigger cranberry? Not my problem.
Still says declined.
Oh, I think my thing is expired actually. Apparently my red card is expired, even though I'm pretty sure I've been able to use it since the expiration date, because it was like a month ago. And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Next order up is a Burger King, $7 going 2 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll get it.
You too. Alright, gonna give IHOP a chance today. This order is $9 and some change, going like 5 miles. Thank you.
Yeah. Down that hallway.
Down that way. Thank you. Am I blind? Excuse me. Is this beat? Okay, thank you.
Sorry about
Oh, you're good. Just saw a different number on the door, so I didn't know.
Thank you.
Thank you. You too. Finally got my next order. This is a McDonald's. $7 and some change, going less than 3 miles. Thank you.
Here we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
welcome. Have a good day.
You too. There you
Thank
are.
you.
Have a good one.
day.
You too. Finally got my next order. This is KFC, $8.75, going 5 miles.
What gives you the right to drive like a maniac?
You confused me because the lady out there ordered a diet. So I thought you said, I said I already got the diet. You said the one from front, so I thought you meant the Pepsi. That's why I was confused. I didn't realize you needed 2 for front.
Thank you so much. Straws are in the bag, right?
Yes, sir.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Have a
You too. Another super dead day. I think I'm just gonna call it here and go get some lunch. Current time is 11:41. Current total is 94. And I think I have one Uber tip yet to come in. Probably around the $100 mark for today. Hoping the next 2 days are a little bit better than today, just to have more options. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.